Unlocking the meaning of book smart. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, book smart. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into culture and colloquial usage. Let's unravel what it means to be book smart. Being book smart refers to a person who has acquired a lot of knowledge through reading and studying rather than practical experience. These individuals often excel in academic settings and have a wealth of information on various topics. While book-smart individuals thrive on theory and facts, street-smart people excel in practical situations. It's the classic head knowledge versus hands-on experience. We'll explore how these two types of intelligence play out in real life and why both are valuable. Here, we'll discuss the advantages of being book-smart, such as academic success and recognition. However, we'll also touch on the disadvantages, like the possible lack of practical skills or common sense that are often attributed to very bookish individuals. In this section, we'll provide some example sentences to show how you can incorporate book smart into your everyday English conversations. This will help solidify your understanding and enable you to use the phrase confidently. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey. Remember, being book smart has its place, but it's one of many ways to shine in the world of learning. Keep exploring and expanding your command of the English language. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.